When's the best time to take creatine, before or after a workout? I've read hundreds of creatine studies over the years, and this is what you need to know. So there is indeed that camp that says just take 5 grams a day, don't worry about the timing, and you'll be perfectly fine. Generally, I would say that does make some sense because the total amount of creatine you consume in a day does indeed matter. However, if you are training regularly, it makes more sense to take creatine after the workout as opposed to before. And that's because after a workout, your muscles are much more primed to absorb nutrients, and that includes creatine as well. A few years ago, there was a study where they gave people creatine supplements before or after working out, and those who took the supplement post-workout appeared to have more benefits. It wasn't what I would call dramatic benefits, but nonetheless, benefits were indeed seen. That said, here's the thing. We don't know the optimal time after working out in which to take creatine. Is it an hour after working out, within 30 minutes, within 10 minutes? Nobody knows the answer to that. That said, if you are training seriously and you're looking to squeeze as much out of creatine as you can, I would say the sooner the better. And here's a pro tip. If you want to increase the nutrient absorption of creatine, take it with some carbohydrates. Mix it with some juice, oatmeal, make a smoothie out of it. When you do this, you increase insulin. Insulin not only lowers blood sugar, but it also increases the absorption of creatine as well. Now, if you're not training regularly, don't worry about any of this. Just take creatine anytime during the day and take it with food. Oh, and while we're on the topic, you don't need to worry about cycling creatine. And for goodness sake, don't just swallow the dry powder because A, that's dumb, and B, you're wasting your money because you're not absorbing creatine as much as if you took it with food.